Hello again, Turtle Army. In today's video, I will show you the concept of quarter points. But first, let me just give you my current outlook for the Brent crude oil price. As you can see from here, the most recent low was now broken, which is a very good thing. And as you can see, this was the first day, this is our second day, and most likely tomorrow the price will probably not break the 49 level. So I do believe that this is a bullish sign for the Brent crude oil pair, and maybe we will test again the 25.5 level, which is a major quarter point level. So what is a quarter point level? You can see the root of the word, a quarter of something. But what exactly? For most instruments, we are talking about a quarter of either 100, 1000, or in some case 10,000 pips. So basically, let's see an example on the Brent crude oil. So if the price moves by 1 cent, you can either win or lose 1 cent if the price moves up or down. So that means that if you start at $50, this means that if the price moves 25 pips, this is the equivalent of $50.25. And if the price moves again by 25 pips, the corresponding price will be 50.5. If the price moves again by 25 pips, the price will be at 50.75. And if the price moves another 25 points, the price will be at 51. So as you can see, each dollar of price movement corresponds to a 100 pip movement. So a quarter of this 100 pip move is 25 pips. So we begin by a rounded number, which in this case is let's take 50. So this is our first major quarter point. 25 pips above or below the current price, we will have a small quarter point. And if the price reaches 52.5, this is a major quarter point because it's the level between $50 and $60. Let me just zoom out a little bit. It's the level between 50, as you can see from here, and $60, which is right here. So it is a 200. It's not a 25 pip move. It's a 250 pip move. Is the quarter of 1,000, which is exactly the distance between 50 and $60. The difference corresponds to 1,000 pips. So how can this help us? Well, each major quarter point represents either a resistance or a support level. Now, is it certain that the quarter point will be broken or not? No one knows. This is the nature of the market. No one knows where the price will go. But you can at least have this in mind and buy or sell based on the price level. This is a pure price level strategy. You don't need any indicators whatsoever. Let's just backtest some of those levels. As you can see, yesterday, literally this week, the price of Brent crude oil tested the 52.44 level. I mean 52.44, say it 52.50. This is exactly a major quarter point. Then the price fell down all of a sudden. Maybe there was some news or something, I'm not sure. And it fell to 49 or $50 basically. So it's, for 49 bucks, the price was at another major quarter point. And now the price seems to be going up again. Maybe we will test, as I previously mentioned, the 15.5 level. but it's somewhere in between. This is 51.23 is not a major quarter point, but so the price is somewhere in between. We will see where the price will go tomorrow. Now let's go back a little bit to this level, which was basically again 37.5, and the lowest part was technically 36.12. But as you can see, again, the price tested this major quarter level, which is of course between 30 and $40 in this case, and the price tested this level and then it went up. This right here is another example. As you can see, this area, we're at the $45 again, which is another major quarter point between 40 and $50. And as you can see, the price did not really break this level, and it fell quite substantially to the 40 level, somewhere around the 40 level, and then it went back up again. So let's see this level, for instance. So this was the COVID, this was the beginning of the pandemic, and the price fell to around $20, 20 or 17.5 bucks, which is again, those are two major quarter points between 10 and $20. And let's see from here, this was before the pandemic, and as you can see, the price right here is $70, which is another major quarter point level between 70 and $80, or if you prefer, 60 and $70. So as you can see, those major quarter points could be looked at as a resistance or a support level. And just by using the 3-day rule, for instance, and the Ichimoku cloud, I already made 2 videos about those 2 methods, you can screen the markets and you can have the upper hand. Just keep in mind, of course, that you will make mistakes. As you already know, the markets are unpredictable and the price could go anywhere at any given time. So the most important thing is to have a proper risk management. I'll make a video on that. Risk management is the most important thing while trading. Successful traders have the best risk management, and unsuccessful traders have the worst risk management. Forget about all those indicators, those quarter points, and so on and so forth. The only real thing that you must focus on is your risk management. You should always make small positions, and you should never risk all your capital. Proper risk management is the difference between a good trader and a bad trader. So this is it then. If you have any questions about the quarter point levels, please feel free to comment. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you happy holidays.